Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Well, in today's live video, I'm going to teach you how to talk about daily routines in Serbian. So, let's get started. I have prepared for you about nine verbs in Serbian. Merhaba Emre, nasılsın? Umarım iyisin. I prepared for you nine verbs in Serbian that are like the most common, and so we are going to see their meanings in different languages, and of course we are going to see how to use those verbs. So first verb is buditi se. So it means to wake up in English. Despertarse in Spanish, svegliarsi in Italian, prasupatsa in Russian, and uyanmak in Turkish. Number two, it's the verb ustajati. It means to get up in English, kalkmak in Turkish, levantarse in Spanish, alzarsi in Italian, and stawać in Russian. Now, number three, it is raditi. Teşekkür ederim. Çok naziksin. Neyse. So, raditi can have double meaning. The first meaning is, of course, to do. I mean, like hacer, fare, yapmak. And the second meaning is like to work, çalışmak, lavorare, trabajar, and of course работать in Russian. Okay, thank you for watching. Number four, it is doručkovati. It means to eat breakfast. Or like in Turkish would say kahvaltı yapmak. In Russian they would say zavtrakat. In Spanish they say desayunar. And in Italian it's fare una colazione. After that we have ručati. Ručati means to eat lunch. So it's after that. Okay, so it is avere yemek or pranzare in Italian or almorzare in Spanish and обедать in Russian. Then we have večerati. So it's the latest the latest meal. Hello, Artemi. So večerati, it's to eat dinner. Yeah. Or for Turkish speakers, it's akşam yemeği yemek. Or like for Russian speakers, it is ужинать. But here comes something interesting because ужинати in Serbian means to eat snack. Yes, so it's like permeze yemek. So it is prekusić, I think, for Russians. So, so it's like kind of false friend. Then we have the verb spavati, which is to sleep, like. So it is uyumak. Yeah. Yes, or it is pat for Russian speakers. Yes, we have ichu krevet. So for Turkish speakers, it is yatmak. Russians, I think they would say like ichi pastel. So yeah, so for Spanish speakers would be irse a la cama. Yeah. Then we have the next verb, which is čitati, to read. Okay, okumak, ler or leggere, and čitać. After that, we have the verb učiti, which is to learn. Like in Great Britain, so it is really to learn something. Okay? So it is imparare or aprender for Spanish speakers, or öğrenmek for Turkish speakers. And the last verb that I'm going to use this time is gledati. So it is to watch or izlemek, or for Italian speakers it is guardare. For Spanish speakers it is mirar. Okay. And now that you know all of these verbs, I think I can start using them and telling about my daily routine in Serbian. Let's get started. So I would say budim se u 8 sati ujutru. Ustajem u 8:15. Doručkujem u 8:30. Užinam u 12 popodne. And then radim od 9 ujutru do 8 uveče. A onda, let's see, šta učim? Na primjer, učim arapski od 10 uveče do 11 uveče. A onda gledam TV od 11 uveče do ponoći, to jest do 12 ujutru. I da, znači ja spavam 8 sati. Okay. Yep. So, da, ručam u 3 sata popodne i večeram u 8 sati uveče. Okay? So, yeah, that was all for today. And later I'm going to send you my notes so that you can see again all of those verbs that I have just told you. Thank you for watching this, and see you in my next video, I hope. Or like Muslim people would say, Inshallah. Anyway, take care, guys. Love you. Bye.